Hello, friends. Welcome to the Speak Fluent English channel. Today, I will explain the use of WH questions in English. These question words are very important because they help us ask for different kinds of information clearly. We will look at 8 main WH questions: who, what, where, when, why, how, which, and whose. Let's begin. First, who. We use who to ask about a person. For example, who is your teacher? Who called you yesterday? Who is your best friend? And who helped you today? It helps us ask about people. Next, what. We use what to ask about a thing, action, or information. For example, what is your name? What are you doing? What do you want to eat? And what happened yesterday? It helps us ask about things and actions. Now, where. We use where to ask about a place or location. For example, where do you live? Where is the party? Where are my keys? And where did you go yesterday? It helps us ask about places. Next is when. We use when to ask about time or an occasion. For example, when is your birthday? When did you arrive? When does the movie start? And when will you call me? It helps us ask about time. Now, why. We use why to ask for a reason. For example, why are you late? Why did you do that? Why is she crying? And why do you study English? It helps us understand reasons. Next, how. We use how to ask about manner, condition, or way. For example, how are you? How did you solve this problem? How can I open this box? And how was your trip? It helps us ask about methods and conditions. Now, which. We use which to ask about a choice or option. For example, which pen is yours? Which dress do you like? Which bus goes downtown? And which color do you prefer? It helps us choose between options. Finally, whose. We use whose to ask about possession or ownership. For example, whose book is this? Whose car is parked outside? Whose phone is ringing? And whose bag is on the table? It helps us ask about belonging. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.